Mina maida Mr. Gaji Tropista Ichigunda MC Brakati ambaye atakoga Santos Oblizi Luja ba Fantastic Photo wetu. So nakola lero ndi bless okwati ne bisajja bino nakola ko nawe ku inspector DJ Fiki. So right now tuli ku set Voltage Music ebisajja bya amanyi bya mbika tobiraba mwena mwino mwene
kasajja gwengoine aba magorezi ngoina amanya
cheka tutulire kenda ndiposo kumwambia ni kenda ni bileso
kenti adenga chikuru chiri
tujampe kama
chikuru chiri ndipo Voltage Music
okay
music ko tuyimba
by the way people do confuse you you remind kenti yani bileso yani
no it was such a vinyo because kasonda bano no floso one Peter Kenti no Peter Voltage we've seen scenarios in Peter and Paul Peter again the ripona again
so we can get a situation whereby because one man because one
no but I go at this papa kana
okay there studio nakulwali umuze kwanza kujega na Star TV UBC Magic 1 byona mbabuze
yo abatulaba ku UBC Magic 1 Star TV ne
U24
Obale nyo we are called Voltage Music and forever we shall.
By the way
zizo TV zasomba
yeah man understand
yeah man UBC yaziko kuba video walo video jetwali
digitally ringtone
ngatubera ku UBC bana ngaba sajja kadeba ngatu chalo wano kawe twajikolera wano wenyini
okay
neza kuwa just ku UBC big up era Tyson big up on yourself UBC big up on yourself
okay njaga tutunde twatishulira olimba chiona kulale what's going on tulikuchi
yeah man to shooting Telemundo twalukola ne mwana chosen Becky you are blessed it abamuku abagenda okukola kaba big sins baffe abayita ba Queen Bees Romani
Queen Bees
Nicole and Charity
yeah
okuva Rwanda Uganda straight up
Queen Bees
so go mani Queen Bee
understand by class
Queen Bee ebeeraawo endala nezijira nga all the other bees work for the Queen Bee
so jaga tuchekere Telemundo tuli kuchitokende kuchi
Telemundo is a concept because mani Voltage Music
Telemundo
fere maga sulawo that's why I present ambagamba msajja ngabaluwawo kutanga we think a lot understand uzanyo bafani bafe babosi bafe tetwagala bawa substandard wa
okay
wesege kati this time Telemundo okude ku squeeze byafayo Telemundo bulumama ni TV
that's why I'm amazed now
yeah to bring mascuti abana banyu yeah buli wesege concept you need ya you understand the chorus goes Telemundo kuno mukwano gwa
kulingana
kwa Telemundo sege
omwana faina
sege omwana damu njagala kuli omukwano ogwa mu Telemundo nako omukwano kutegero kwa Telemundo omukwano gwa Telemundo gwe gulimo lick my ear
so jaga tutunde
omukwano gwe wamwe
wabigona kwa jaga tutunde ani mwani so Telemundo
Faba wandi
ani awandikira
actually ne chosen Becky wandikira
verses so ani awandikira Voltage Music wa mwasika because this year tulaba nti by high Voltage byafayo tuna squeeze in the project na then to the one
yeah Voltage Music chetukola tuingira mu studio netufuna beat from Renix
okay
any other producer who work with Voltage
tuna producers
tuna skills
okay
tuna Wani tuna Twisky tuna Renix
ani manager wa wanda bad manager mkanda wa
no tetuna manager we have a team everyone has a role kina chintu muganda wakubuli tosoba chikola weka singa chino press kamubuze ekibuzo kino abayimbi bameka boda baba operating anga
really ne duos this chaliwo
yes
as a company ze tukamba they are walu trio omusajja agambe trio
abangi nawe
we need duos people abakola music
Oh, kama bali nasa.
Sinaka tutumulira
B2C big up on yourself.
Bado kuna ku blue 3.
Okay. Sinaka tutumulira anakola video niko twale video concept.
Bamuita Douglas Mulumba.
Then tutunulire oluyimba luno tuhedize almost Christmas. Project eno ebaddewo ku YouTube emabegako. Lwaki video tugikoze lately?
Omani, Voltage Music, we are so strategic.
Okay.
So, olaba, eno tune we full market. Abayimbe basinga after this season, baba koye.
Bali kumala kaseka festive.
Na ate, telemundu ayingira mu paka ku Valentine.
Okay.
Ayitawo. You understand? So, fe tubalani.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another thing is tuna concert in April.
Okay.
So 17.
Why tugenda wa venue?
Tubadde twagala kuwa Sheraton Gardens.
Okay.
Naye Sheraton tegenda visa
From Maddox show.
Okay. So of all people, why chosen Becky? Go to Kozen Olimba. Why chosen Becky?
The thing is for tukola n'abantu abali talented and down to earth.
Okay.
Like we're not the type of artists who would want to work with people who are, you know,
Awaina ego.
Ekituufu kiri nti sijja kyewakana tuli baakabi. Yes, tuli baakabi.
Because
you've never seen us nga tukyogera mu bantu kitegeera. So we want people nga amanyi kyakola.
Okay.
And then they are down to earth because bagamba Bible egamba buli wewekkakkanya
ayegulumiza alikakanyizibwa n'akakanyizibwa aliyegulumizibwa.
Okay. When the Bible one. Zinduwa Quran.
Okay, gatuka tutunulire concept omusajja Daga Mumbaja is your first time working with Dag?
No.
How has been the experience?
It's actually not the first time.
How many times?
And by the way, stop talking about times because it's on our team right now. As a team. So, mulaba video zikuluma ku
ekivuze kiri waka. Audio ali waka, video eri waka.
So,
budget temwagala kutuwa kusente.
Katela beno video. Teri kintu kyosobola kukola kati kuli budget. Mu music industry.
No, remember shooting a access.
The thing is, noba okola video and go comfortable to work with.
Okay, understand.
And
That's great.
Okwogera naye.
Akutegeera.
Okay. Omanyi osobola okuwa omuntu concept n'akusekerera ng'alabye ddala byokola biriyo kumbe kyekigenda okukola ki.
Kati waliwo producer kwetwagenda atukole tune.
Kinene.
Waliwo tune. Natune yanagana. Mutandikirewa. Ate bantu basobola. Nga tamanyi wakutandike naye nga ffe
omusajja yadduka mu studio.
Okay, before we wind up, do you expect any collabs ezijja ahead of 2020?
By the way, twali twagala ku releasing all collabs this year. Nete kisobose kuba we have very many friends.
Ziriwo ezijja mu maaso.
Ezijja mu maaso. Ezatasobodde
kufulumba bitwina ne Fig for Maker,
Fresh Boy,
kuliko Fig for Maker, kuliko Viper Ranking,
Ras Coco.
Yeah. Then all of that join Ras Bebe Kuru, Bakra Camp Dance.
Okay.
Then when I join Winning Waji.
Okay.
It's called
it's also
Biadala.
Narulu Jamasa.
Then to
Zona lined up. That's why we say the industry. You know, industry
okay.
And we work with them.
Akola na makolaba akola atya alina kuba na bisaanyizo ki?
Ekisogera ddala olina obbanga omanyi okuyimba ekyokubiri olina obbanga olinamu ssente si kulimba industry expensive.
Okay, lastly tugambe tumusembya abantu begatuduka okuva Voltage Music ahead of your concert 2020.
Okay, 2020 17th April to Jose Uma
Showground.
Yeah man, it's going to be our first show.
Okay.
Then after that we are going to Freedom City and other places.
Okay.
Let Uma be Uma.
So Uma Eringa sort of executive show.
Yeah,
VIP show.
No, it's not but it's not VIP. Setting you're not gonna be a VIP. Network you understand? Setting you're gonna be a
okay.
Fresh
VIP wonka cause man, do you have a such a fava yagamba abarasta batuzalaye kyetwagala.
Okay, ngatutuka your last words.
Thank you for loving Voltage Music. Thank you for dying hard for Voltage Music.
Okay.
Because it's not easy.
Understand.
It's not easy being with the heat every year.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, so
I don't know how sure and how many years. So far
every year we have
emyaka ngesatu kwena. Siri mutufu. Emyaka esatu. We're kissing 4 years.
we're going to kiss 4 years next year.
Okay, understand. So bili kumina mwenda Mr. Gadget yatati ambana atakoga MC Bra Rupi DJ Santos Chikunda lwamkaka sawa sipa tano mpaka jituko wewe. Yeye ni sina kanyo ngeni kwa video tuko. Ole yakagala kuwa.
Rupi
ne MC Bra. Yeah.
Muje baliko basema.
Bra.
Tati ambala nata koga tage.
Manager abayimbi abagwa.
Ali manager abayimbi abagwa.
Ibra
manager abayimbi abagwa. Bania.
Okay, tufunaka tufunaka pera tuweka petrola mtu kumeone project nda tufunaka pera ka tune
oncha ya balala
that one
jagaloncha ya bawala na chiro sencho matira zegwene wonogere dagala zimi Voltage Music straight up Telemundo shit